Water is indispensable for life. It is essential for the existence of every life form on earth. The young eco-activists of NL Dalmia High School were taught a science chapter, Water, a Natural Resource. The learning outcomes were to know the changes in water availability and changes in sources of water over time. To identify different methods of saving water, to understand what are the consequences of wastage of water and how to avoid it, to know how do we get water from our area. Students got an opportunity to demonstrate their understanding with related to water. It was truly a wonderful and knowledgeable experience for our students in online learning. Students wrote picture composition, they made beautiful artwork, and they also made models on the theme given to them, which showed that they have understood the concept of rainwater harvesting. Let us take you to the journey of learning more about water and to understand interdisciplinary learning approach. Now we have Viraj from 3rd G with a welcome message for all of us.
A very good afternoon to our respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I would like you all to join in welcoming the fun-filled rainy day event. It's a day which cools the weather with rain showers and refreshing breeze. Let us celebrate this day that fills everyone with joy, brings calmness and adds scenic beauty to the nature. Thank you. Friends, what is this water cycle? Let me explain. The movement of water from land to the sky and back to the land is called water cycle. But how? Let's see more closely. Friends, water cycle occurs in 3 stages. Those are evaporation, condensation.
The movement of water from land to sky and back to the land is called as water cycle. So here we have Chris from 3rd C who fascinatingly created the model of water cycle.
When the sun rays heat the water of water bodies, it turns into water vapor and rises up in the sky. This process of turning water into gas is called evaporation. So, what is next? When warm water vapor comes in contact with cool air in the sky, it turns into tiny water droplets. This change from water vapor into water droplets is called condensation. These many tiny water droplets combine together to form clouds. And from clouds, it falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, and snow. This process of falling water droplets from clouds back to the earth is called precipitation. The rainwater gets collected in oceans, ponds, rivers, and lakes. And the cycle starts all over again. Hope you all have understood the process of water cycle. Bye!
आला आला पाऊस आला, वारा वाहे चोहीकडे. वाह, या कल्पनेने किती मस्त वाटतं ना. मन अगदी प्रसन्न होऊन जातं. चला तर मग बोलवूया आपल्या चिमुकलीला. राधिका 3री ई या वर्गातून आपल्या समोर एक छानशी कविता सादर करीत आहे.
आज मी तुमच्या समोर एक मराठीची कविता सादर करीत आहे. पावसा पावसा सरसरिये, पावसा पावसा भरभरिये, सरीमध्ये नाचू दे, ओलं चिंब होऊ दे, होडी मला बनवू दे, होडी होडी खेळू दे, होडी माझी शिडाची, सुरू सुरू चालायची, होडी माझी बंबाची, दूर देशाने गायची, चला सारे गावाला, यारे सारे फिरायला, दूर दूर भटकायला, पावसामध्ये नाचायला, पावसामध्ये नाचायला. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद राधिका, तुझ्या या सुंदर आणि मनमोहक कवितेने आमचे मन प्रफुल्लित झाले.
No water, no life. No blue, no green. Keeping this thought in mind, friends, I want all of you to take a moment and use your imagination. Imagine that there was so much of water scarcity that you will not be able to perform your basic chores. Scary, right? But don't worry. Today we are going to discuss a very easy and low-cost method to get rid of this water scarcity, and this method is called rainwater harvesting. Now, what is rainwater harvesting? Why is it important? Let me tell you. Rainwater harvesting is nothing but the collection and storage of rainwater, and it is important because we are facing water scarcity. That's why rainwater harvesting is done to save and prevent rainwater from getting wasted. Next up, we have rooftop rainwater harvesting. Here, the roof of the house acts like a rainwater collection unit. The roof is attached to a pipe which leads all the way to a big tank or pit. The pipe diverts the rainwater all the way to the tank. Now, how is rainwater harvesting done? I will demonstrate it for you. Here we have the working model of a house with sloping roofs. So when it rains, all the rainwater that falls on the roof will go through the pipes and it will get collected in this storage tank. There is a small sieve on the mouth of the pipe which filters all the impurities that is there in the rainwater, so that only clean water will get collected in the storage tank. This tank water can be used for irrigation, domestic purposes, etc. Even during droughts. Water is the driving force of all nature. This proverb explains the importance of water and its conservation. Thank you.
बारिश के मौसम में प्रकृति एकदम खिल सी जाती है. बहुत से लोगों को बारिश का मौसम पसंद है क्योंकि ये लाती है अपने साथ बहुत सी खुशियाँ. इसलिए हम लाए हैं एक ऐसी कविता जो पेश करने जा रही है दियारा.
नमस्ते, मेरी कविता का शीर्षक है रिमझिम रिमझिम. रिमझिम रिमझिम बरसा पानी, देखो आ गई वर्षा रानी. रिमझिम रिमझिम बरसा पानी, देखो आ गई वर्षा रानी. काले काले बादल गरजे, झमझमा झम कर बरसे. चमचम बिजली चमक रही है, चारों ओर हरियाली है. छम छम बूंदे बरस रही है, घनघोर घटा मत वाली है. भर गए सारे ताल तलैया, मेंढक गीत सुनाते हैं. सौंधी मिट्टी महक रही है, पेड़ खड़े मुस्काते हैं. मैं भी आऊं तुम भी आओ, बारिश में सब खूब नहाओ. कागज की सब नाव बनाओ, मिलकर पानी में तैराओ. रिमझिम रिमझिम बरसा पानी, देखो आ गई वर्षा रानी. धन्यवाद. Friends, have you ever experienced this wonder of nature called rain? If not, I invite you to play with my beloved friend Rain. I promise you it would be one of your memorable days in life. And from that day, you too would want to be friends with rain. For me, rain is special showers of joy and peace from heaven, just like somebody is pouring confettis from the sky. Simply listen to the rhythm of falling of rain and experience the serenity. Thank you. Mom, take picture of the running tap water. The water is wasting. It is not needed.
Yes, beta, I will take care next time. beta, you are right.
Mom, why is this water getting wasted?
This water is coming from the purifier. This is dirty water. We cannot drink this water.
Oh, if that's the case, can we use it for mopping or watering the plants?
Yes, beta, we can do that for sure.
Mom, see, I'm using this unpurified water which we cannot drink to water the plants. So friends, this is how we can easily save water. A small step collectively can give us big results. So friends, do your bit to save water, save life and make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.
Saujao is a colorful festival celebrated by Goans with great enthusiasm. The festival includes villagers jumping into wells, ponds and streams. Tourists think it is only about jumping into wells, but the prayer they say before that are for good monsoon. Guests are made to wear crowns made up of leaves and flowers. Vibrant colors and active participation in Saujao traditions gives this feast an authentic Goan feel. So now we have grade 3 students with an amazing dance performance. Sayuri from 3rd G, Rutva from 3rd B, Kasturi and Molly from 3rd F, Megha from 3rd E, Twisha, Palakshi and Yashika from 3rd C.
विवारे गोवा म्हणून आम्ही दीस सुरू करताव उडक्यो मारून बांयत आमी सोंजाव म्हणटाव कपेलां घालून माथ्याक आमी कांतारां करताव नाक्यार बसून सोरो घेवन सोंजाव फुलयता विवारे गोवा म्हणून आमी दीस सुरू करताव उडक्यो मारून बांयत आमी सोंजाव म्हणटाव कपेलां घालून माथ्याक आमी कांतारां करताव नाक्यार बसून सोरो घेवन सोंजाव फुलयता आमच्या बोबाव जाला फेस्ताक आमच्या जावूं आयला सान्ना वडे खावूय ताका सोरो इल्लो पिवोय ताका विवारे गोवा म्हणून आमी दीस सुरू करताव उडक्यो मारून बांयत आमी सोंजाव म्हणटाव कपेलां घालून माथ्याक आमी कांतारां करताव नाक्यार बसून सोरो घेवन सोंजाव फुलयताव विवारे गोवा म्हणून आमी दीस सुरू करताव उडक्यो मारून बांयत आमी सोंजाव म्हणटाव कपेलां घालून माथ्याक आमी कांतारां करताव नाक्यार बसून सोरो घेवन सोंजाव फुलयताव
On behalf of NL Dalmia High School, would like to thank all the participants who made this event joyful with their impressive performance. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents for your rock-solid support and encouragement. A special mention to our Vice Principal Ma'am for always encouraging us to do our best by standing pillars of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their constant guidance and support. Last but not the least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this event memorable for us. Thank you.